Yo, what is up guys? I'm back with a very special video. Just came from running up the stairs and all that, so excuse me if I seem like I'm out of breath, but let's take a deep breath. Alright guys, let's get into it. This is a really dope video that I'm so excited about because it is actually a concept shoe, and on top of that, it is a shoe that is rumored to be released. There were some official images as well as non-official images. Actually, no, my bad. There were just some mock-ups and stuff like that that were released of these actual kicks right here. But there were talks of them being released in this colorway. So if you guys do not know, in 2012, the Lightnings were released. Oh, my bad. The Thunders were released, not the Lightnings. The Thunders were released, which are the Air Jordan 4s with the black kind of velvet material all across, and then the cage is yellow, and then you have some yellow just accents all around. And this is what kind of started this whole Thunder collection, because then now they came out with the Red Thunders. And if you guys do not know what the Red Thunders are, the Red Thunders are right here. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm not big into red like that. I do love red, it's a very beautiful color, but I'm big on blue. So to see these was crazy. And without further ado, we had this beautiful blue box. So it's an Air Jordan man. I said Air Jordan man. Oh my gosh. That's the Air Jordan Jumpman on there in all blue. On the inside, you got that really nice deep royal blue. My bad, it's losing focus right now. That deep royal blue. Then, without further ado, man, let's get into taking this shoe out. So the one thing I like about these shoes is that the velvet is just so smooth and so beautiful. And the tongue is a lot higher and thinner. And then you have bada boom, bada bing, man. So you got the blue Thunders right here, and then you got the red Thunders right here. So in my opinion, the blues go so hard. I feel like the black and blue is just like this subtle kind of look right here that kind of just like, they just go so well together. It's like such a cool colorway. And you get a little more heat with this red and this black. It definitely stands out a lot more. But the red and black combination goes crazy as well too. So let me know what you guys think is nicer, which one you would take and which one you would want. I really love these Thunders. I haven't even worn them yet because they're just so beautiful to me and I'm so scared to wear them out. I'm really big on the Black Cats. My Black Cats are down here. The Black Cats do have a more round and thick tongue, but the Black Cats are another colorway that are very beautiful as well too. So the blue Thunders are essentially exactly the same as the Red Thunders, and then you have obviously the two sneakers right here. They have a very plush, backing right in the back here that's very soft. You got the Jumpman logo on the bottom with the blue toe right there. On the heel, you got this really nice candy blue going all across. My bad for the focus, guys. And then over here, you guys can just kind of see the elements of the shoe. The tongue kind of stands a little bit more and is more thin, but you guys can see the elements of the shoe right here. Very nice candy colorways all across, and that kind of smooth butter type Air Jordan 4 feel to these kicks that I think are just so beautiful. So my opinion, guys, what do you guys think is better? I love my Thunders. It's hard to choose between both, but there's a rumor release hopefully coming out soon, maybe later next year. There's no like official date and stuff like that. We got the White Midnight Navies dropping at the end of the month on the 29th, I believe, unless it was pushed back. But these are just so clean, man. In my opinion, they're so fresh. 4s are one of my favorite Jordans, and to see them in that kind of black cat colorway with the blue, it just does it for me. I need more like this from Jordan. I feel like this is just so fresh and simplistic, and it went crazy. Like when the Thunders came out, the videos went crazy. Everybody loved them. So let me know what you guys think down below, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram at PETYYValencia. And I love you guys so much. Let's get into that on foot. Let's go.